This is our 1954 Eljer Duplex in Coral Blush, or what I like to call Eljer Pink. This is the toilet as we received it. It's fairly clean. It does need a little bit of work in here. It will be getting a muriatic soak. This foam tank liner is coming out, and the fluid master will be replaced with a corky quiet fill, which I prefer to use here. This handle looks like a generic, but I also remember seeing these on Eljer toilets back in the 1950s. So this may be original. So I am deciding whether or not I'm going to keep this or take this handle off this toilet here. You can see the vortex jet and the siphon jet. There's just some white residue around the water line of the bowl, which may be calcium. The muriatic will take that out. The toilet is in great shape. I'll of course make fake toilet screws on the front, the way I always do. And I will take pictures as I go. Here's the tank lid. The color is going to be hard to match. The closest we can get to it is American Standard's Coralline or Gerber's Peach Blossom. So I'm going to order a seat. The color will be a little off, but it'll probably be okay. I was able to get the tank off the bowl easily. You can see how dirty that is, but that'll clean up really nicely. The toilet cleaned up beautifully. There was the usual black material here, but that just came right off, and a few brush marks in the bowl. All I used to clean this was Dawn dishwashing liquid and a little Zud cleanser. Then I used a little camp lantern fuel. The bowl will not need a muriatic rinse. The jets were clear, the rim was good, and this was probably one of the cleanest toilets I've ever redone. And this is the tank all cleaned up. And the color chip for the new seat. And this is the inside of the newly cleaned tank. So it's all ready to rebuild.